This is Tajamul Adil. The newly released Hohem iSteady M6 smartphone stabilizer boasts a magnetic light and cutting-edge AI face recognition technology. This impressive stabilizer is sure to bring a new level of quality to your content creation. First, let's open the box and get the iSteady M6 Kit stabilizer. The first thing we notice is the magnetic mount for the fill light kit. I can't believe how tightly the light fit on top of the phone holder. The mini tripod should now be mounted with the M6 stabilizer that is included with the stabilizer kit. I am using a Samsung Galaxy A04, a 6.5-inch smartphone, and I am going to demonstrate how to place it properly horizontally and vertically. Taking a look at the iSteady M6 stabilizer, the power button is located on the right side and the display screen in front shows detailed information about the device. Honestly, I didn't set a balancing procedure for my 6.5-inch smartphone and it balanced it properly on its own. It is possible to adjust the horizontal and vertical position of the smartphone manually, and I have placed the smartphone in a horizontal position and adjusted it according to the grip. As I switch back on the M6 stabilizer, I can see how comfortably it holds the 6.4-inch smartphone. The camera has 4 working modes: pan follow, pan title follow, all lock and POV all follow. Having installed the Hohem Joy in my smartphone, you can find the app link of Apple Store and Play Store in the video description. Let's take a look at its features. When the smartphone is in Bluetooth mode, pair it with the iSteady M6 stabilizer and click the orange shutter button in the middle. To start with, let's click on the settings button on the left bottom and then we will see the working mode options on top. I am now showing the new AI vision sensor and AI face tracking mode that only works with the magnetic fill light on top of the phone holder. You can use the OK button to start the follow mode and see if it follows you as you move left or right, even from top to bottom. If you would like to stop the video, use the palm of your hand. This will stop the follow mode. In the big wheel, click the middle button to manually activate the AI fill light. I have used the USB-C to USB-C cable in the M6 kit to charge my smartphone. It works flawlessly. I have shared a $40 discount code here and the buying links you can find in the video description. If you are interested in longer selfie stick, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.